Have you ever been talking to someone and suddenly, boom, your mind goes blank? You know the word. It's right there, but it just won't come out. You try to speak, but your brain says, nope, not today. It's frustrating. You feel stuck, maybe even a little embarrassed. But guess what? You're not alone. And today, I'm here to help. I've got 10 super simple tips that'll make speaking English smoother, faster, and honestly, more fun. Let's dive in. Tip 1, think in English. One big reason we forget words is because we think in our native language and then try to translate into English. That takes time and makes your brain work extra hard. So instead, train your brain to think directly in English. Start small. When you see the sun, just think, the sun is bright. See a tree? That tree is tall. Do this every day. Keep it simple. Soon, English will start to feel more natural, like second nature. Tip 2, use simple words. Can't remember a fancy word while speaking? Don't stress. Use an easier one. Can't think of delicious? Just say very tasty. Forget enormous? Say very big. The goal is to keep speaking, not to sound like a dictionary. Simple words still get your point across and help you stay confident. Tip 3, speak every day. The more you use a word, the easier it is to remember. So speak every single day, even if it's just to yourself. Look in the mirror. Pick a topic, like what did I do today, and talk about it for 2 minutes. No audience, no judgment, just you and your words. Speak slowly, speak clearly, be proud. This daily habit will boost your memory and your fluency. Tip 4, learn words in sentences. Learning single words is okay, but learning them in sentences, that's next level. Don't just learn the word beautiful. Say, the sky's beautiful today. Your brain loves context. And when you practice full sentences, your speaking becomes automatic and smooth. Tip 5, use flashcards. Flashcards are old school, but they work. Write the English word on one side, on the other, write the meaning. Or draw a tiny picture. Spend just 5 minutes a day flipping through them. It may seem small, but trust me, it adds up fast. Tip 6, watch and listen in English. Let your brain soak in English every single day. Watch fun YouTube videos. Listen to podcasts. Sing along to English songs with subtitles. When you hear the same words again and again, your brain remembers them. It's like learning without even trying. Tip 7, repeat and use new words. When you learn a new word, don't just read it once and move on. Say it out loud 5 times, then use it. For example, just learned exciting? Say, this movie is exciting. My weekend was exciting. Learning English is exciting. The more you repeat it, the more it sticks. Tip 8, stay calm if you forget a word. It happens. You forget a word, your mind freezes. But don't panic. Take a breath. Relax. Then, describe the word in a simple way. Can't remember umbrella? Say, it's something we use when it rains. People will understand. Remember, fluency isn't about being perfect. It's about being understood. Tip 9, write more. Writing is your secret weapon. Get a small notebook or even your phone and write 1 English sentence every day. Write about your day, your thoughts, your dreams. This builds your vocabulary and helps you use the words when you speak. Tip 10, connect words with images. Your brain loves pictures, so use that. See an apple? Say apple. Look at your chair? Say chair. When you connect a word to a visual thing, it sticks in your memory. Learning becomes faster, easier, and more natural. And there you have it. 10 simple, powerful tips to help you stop forgetting words when you speak English. Try just 1 or 2 tips a day, and I promise you'll start noticing a difference. Now I want to hear from you. Do you sometimes go blank while speaking English? Which tip today was your favorite? Drop a comment. I read everyone and I'd love to help. If this video helped you, give it a like, share it with a friend, and hit subscribe, mate, because we've got more fun, practical English tips coming your way every week. Thanks so much for watching. You've got this. And remember, keep speaking, keep smiling, and keep growing. See you next time.